Kids, look which letter we are going to learn today. Yes, it's B. We will learn the capital B and the small b. Sounds like ba, ba, ba. Repeat after me. Ba. Excellent. Here, the story of sound B, like ba, is waiting for us. So let's start it. Say hello to my friend Babaloo. He is so cute. One day his Baba took him to the market. Babaloo was too much excited because Baba promised him to get a balloon for him. He got a big blue balloon and suddenly he was surprised when he saw his father is getting a blue ball too for little Babaloo. He took the ball with great joy and started bouncing on the floor. He was much excited to see a bouncing ball sounds like ba 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 on the floor. Yes, it is the sound of